Vandana buys a call option of Malti Pharma Limited at an exercise price of rupees 100 with a premium of rupees 3. Exercise price means exercise price क्या होता है? Strike price. Strike price is 100. When you buy a call option, जब buyer हो आप तो आपको प्रीमियम पे करना पड़ेगा. 3 रुपीज आपने पे किया एडवांस बुकिंग के लिए. एडवांस बुकिंग प्रीमियम पेड 3 रुपीज. तो आपका 3 यहाँ पे प्रीमियम पेड कॉलम में -3 लिखना है. जितने भी स्पॉट प्राइसेस दिए हैं 96, 97 ये सब प्राइसेस जो हैं एक्सपायरी के दिन के प्राइसेस हैं. स्पॉट प्राइसेस ऑन एक्सपायरी डेट. Spot prices on expiry date are 96, 97, 98, 99 up to 105. Okay. Strike price is 100. Call buyer has a right to buy at a strike price of 100, but no obligation to buy at a strike price of 100. Vandana can exercise the call whenever the strike price is lower than the spot price. So whenever Vandana wants to exercise the call option, she will compare the spot price and the strike price. She will compare the spot price and the strike price. Now in the first case, strike price is higher. Whether the Vandana will exercise the call or not exercise. Vandana will buy from the spot market at 96 rupees. She will not exercise the call option. So when she is not buying from the option market at 100, why she is not buying? Because the right now the expiry date price is 96. She will buy at 96. She will cancel the deal of option market. She will not exercise the call option because she want to buy at a lower rate. Next, when the strike price is 100 and the spot price on expiry is 97. Whether Vandana will exercise the call or not. Vandana will buy at 97 or 100. Right to buy. Call option means right to buy, not exercise. Okay. So if she is not exercising the call because the strike price is higher. Okay. Next, strike price is 100. Spot price on the expiry is 98. Whether Vandana will buy at 100 or 98. Vandana will buy at 100 or 98. She will go for spot market buying. She will leave the contract price, so not exercise. Next, whether Vandana will buy at 99 or 100. If she is buying from the spot market, she will cancel the deal at strike price. So that this is not exercise. Next, if the price is same, strike price is equal to spot price. Then even if we exercise, we will get 0. The difference is 0. If you exercise, better you write not exercise and 0. Vandana has made a contract of 100 to buy at 100, whether she will buy from the spot market at higher rate or whether she will buy from the strike price. Now Vandana is ready to buy at a strike price of 100. So she will make a savings of 1 rupee. See the difference, exercise and 1. Exercise and 1. Next, 100, 102. Vandana will buy from the strike price. Vandana will buy at strike price 100 because it is lower than the spot market. So she will exercise the deal. Exercise the deal. She will get savings of 2 rupees, profit of 2 rupees if she is exercising at strike price. Vandana will buy at 100 or 103. 100 is the right to buy at 100. The price going on is 103. She has a right to buy at 100. All buyer has a right to buy at 100. Exercise or not exercise. Exercise. She will buy at 100. So you will write exercise the deal. She will get savings. Spot price minus the strike price. Profit is 3. 100 minus 104. You will get 4. Again, she will buy from the option market. She has a right to buy at 100 at a strike price. She will compare the spot and the strike, and if the strike price is lower, she will buy. She will buy at 100. Whenever she is buying from the option market, that is strike price, she will write exercise and she will find out the difference between the spot price and the strike price. What is the premium paid initially? The buyer pays the premium. The buyer pays the premium to seller. And what is the payoff? You can see the maximum loss is the premium. 3 से ज्यादा लॉस हुआ ही नहीं है. लास्ट के कॉलम में पे ऑफ इज द नेट लॉस एंड नेट प्रॉफिट. -3 से ज्यादा कहीं पर भी आपको लॉस नहीं दिखेगा. इन द केस ऑफ कॉल बायर, लॉस इज लिमिटेड अप टू प्रीमियम. Loss is limited up to premium. The buyer will get the maximum profit and minimum loss. Anurag, next question. Anurag buys a call option of Excel Media Limited. This is the name of the stock option. You are buying a call option of this company at the exercise price. Exercise price means strike price. At a strike price of rupees 500 with a premium of 30. So Anurag is having a right. He is buying a call option. Anurag is buying a call option. Anurag is having a right to buy stock at 500 Suppose this is a 2-month call option. So Anurag is having 2-month call option with him. After 2 months, Anurag has a right to buy in future. In future, Anurag will buy at a strike price of 500. The price on expiry, that means after 2 months, on the last Thursday of the second month, the price can be 460, 490, 530, anything. Okay. Calculate the profit or loss on the option position of Anurag. If the following prices are given, 460, 470, 480, up to 550. Also draw the payoff table for the same. Now we will draw the payoff table. All of you draw this table. First point, Anurag has a right to buy at 500 at a strike price of 500, but no obligation to buy at 500. He can compare the spot price and the strike price. What will Anurag do? अनुराग क्या करेगा 460 पे बाय करेगा और 500 को 500 की डील को कैंसिल करेगा. Whenever you are canceling the deal, you will write not exercise. Okay, and 0 will be the profit from the deal. The premium paid by the Anurag is 30 rupees and the net loss is 30. Next, Anurag has a right to buy at a strike price, but no obligation to buy at a strike price. He can make a choice of spot price and strike price. Spot price is 470 on second month last Thursday, and he has a right to buy at 500. What he will do? He will cancel the deal of 500. He will go for buying at 470. So again, he is canceling the deal of 500. You will write not exercise and comma 0. You can make one more column here. The third column will be E or NE, exercise or not exercise. So you will write not exercise, and in the column of spot price and strike price, you will write 0. Don't find out difference when you are writing not exercise. You will write 0 always in front of not exercise. Loss of premium 30 rupees. Strike price 500. Anurag has a right to buy at 500, but the spot price is 480. Anurag will not buy at 500, so he will cancel the deal, not exercise, 0. Premium is the loss. Next, 500 minus 500 is the strike price, 490 is the spot price. Anurag will cancel the deal of 500. He will buy from the spot market. So when he is canceling the deal, you will write not exercise, 0, and the loss of premium is 30 rupees. Next, the price of spot and strike is same. Again there is no profit, so not exercise. Loss of premium 30. Next, 500 and 510. As you can see, the strike price is lower than the spot price. Spot price on the expiry date is 510. If you buy at 500 and you sell at 510, you will get a profit of 10. So you are buying at 500. Anurag is buying at a strike price of 500 because the spot price is higher. So he will buy from the option market and he will get a profit of 10. Spot price minus strike price is 10 rupees. Premium paid is 30. And you have a net loss of 20. 0 minus 30 is minus 30. You have to add the third and the fourth column to get the fifth column. 10 minus 30 plus 10 minus 30, you will have minus 20. Next, Anurag has a right to buy at 500 and he has a spot price of 520. He will buy at 500 and he will sell at 520. He will make a profit of 20. Premium paid 30. Payoff is 10. So loss of 10. Next, 500 and 530. You will buy at 500 because it is lower. Okay. And the strike spot price is 530. 30. 30 minus 30, this is 0. Anurag will buy at 500, not at 540. He will buy at 500, so profit of 40. Spot minus strike price minus 30 premium and the profit is 10. Next, 500 and 550. Profit of 50. Anurag will buy at 500 and the difference is 550 minus 500, that is 50. Premium paid 30 and the net payoff is 20. This is a question for you all. Take a screenshot and write in the assignment. Take a screenshot of this. आपको ये असाइनमेंट में करना है. ओके, तो ये आप स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए और इसके बाद का जो क्वेश्चन था उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। फिर क्वेश्चन, यही क्वेश्चन का आप लोग है ना सम करके आना, टेबल बनाना। कॉल ऑप्शन में शॉर्ट कर रहे हो आप, शॉर्ट मतलब आप सेल कर रहे हो। मार्क्स में बाद में बताऊंगी, अभी नहीं, और क्वेश्चंस देने के हैं। अभी ये शॉर्ट कॉल ऑप्शन है, मतलब पहले बायर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से करना है। सम में पहले एक्सरसाइज नॉट एक्सरसाइज लिखना है, फिर बायर को जितना प्रॉफिट होगा उतना ही लॉस सेलर को होगा। ठीक है, जहां पे बायर का प्लस आ रहा है, सेलर का आपको माइनस करके लॉस दिखाना है। ठीक है, तो मालती ने शॉर्ट पोजीशन लिया है ना, तो मालती ने वंदना को वंदना ने बाइंग किया था कॉल ऑप्शन और मालती ने सेलिंग किया था, तो मालती का यहाँ पे आपको करना है। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप ये सम करके रखिए शॉर्ट कॉल ऑप्शन का। असाइनमेंट के लिए स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। मार्क्स में बाद में बताऊंगी, अभी नहीं पूछो बार बार।